For number 20 and 21, we're going to use something called synthetic substitution. It looks a lot like synthetic division, just a tad bit different. The answer is going to be a little bit different. The process itself is going to be the same. So notice x equals 3. So they're telling you it equals 3, so that's the number you're going to put on the outside. You don't have to change the sign for this problem, okay, because it tells us it equals 3. So we're going to start off with 3 on the outside. As I look at this problem, I see that there's no x's, so I need to make sure that when I write the coefficients on the top line, I have 4, -7, no x's, and then a -8 for my constant. Okay, I have that placeholding 0 there. It's really important that you guys have that. So let's run through the process. I'm going to bring this 4 down, multiply this out. Anytime there's numbers on the inside of this box, you're going to add. Anytime you have a number on the bottom, you multiply with the number on the left. So 15, add 45, and then add that together. I get, what's that, 37. Okay, synthetic substitution. If you were to do regular substitution and just plug 3 in, I would only get one number. Plug in 3 whenever you see an x, I would get a number. That means for synthetic substitution, you're only going to use that last number, the remainder. So the way that I'm going to write my answer is f of 3, okay, because I plugged in 3 into the synthetic substitution, equals that remainder, that 37. 21 asks you to do something a little bit different, but it's the same process. Is 7 a root of 4x squared minus 8x minus 28? When it's a root, your remainder is actually, this last number is going to be 0. We won't have a remainder. So in number 20, 3 is definitely not a root. Okay, so is 7. We're going to use 7 on the outside. Okay, if I look here, it's x squared, x, constant. I don't have anything missing. So 4, -8, -28. If it's a root, I should get a 0 at the end right here. So let me go ahead and plug this, run through this synthetic substitution. Okay, so 4 times 7, that's 28. If I add this together, I get 20. 7 times 20 is 140. If I add those two together, I get 112. 112. So this last number is not 0. So no, 7 is not a root. Okay, so that's number 20 and 21 of your review.